Look at the world's biggest problems: poverty, climate change, water scarcity, inequality. They don't exist separately, they overlap. That overlap is where the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals were created. In 2015, global leaders adopted 17 interconnected goals designed to guide development until 2030, not as slogans, as measurable targets. Let's simplify it. The SDGs rest on three pillars: environment, economy, society. If one collapses, the others weaken. Goal 13 focuses on climate action. Goal 6 on clean water and sanitation. Goal 7 on affordable and clean energy. Goal 12 on responsible consumption and production. Notice something important. Environmental goals are not isolated. They connect directly to economic growth, infrastructure, public health, and stability. This framework built on earlier ideas of sustainable development, strongly articulated by Gro Harlem Brundtland, who defined development as meeting present needs without compromising future generations. That definition changed global policy thinking. Now zoom in. The SDGs are not laws, they are coordination tools. They guide national budgets, corporate sustainability reporting, infrastructure investment, energy transitions, water and land management. Governments align policies, corporations align ESG reporting, investors align long-term risk strategies. Now zoom out. The SDGs recognize a hard truth. Environmental stability is not separate from economic stability. Water security affects agriculture. Energy systems affect emissions. Urban design affects health. Every environmental issue you've studied in this series, climate change, biodiversity loss, water scarcity, pollution, fits directly into this framework. That's the point. The SDGs integrate science into planning, monitoring and reporting mechanisms, coordinated through agencies like the United Nations Environment Program, track progress using data, indicators, and national assessments. This turns environmental science from theory into measurable development targets. Now here's the key insight. The SDGs do not promise perfection. They provide direction. Progress depends on data, on governance, on accountability. Before we end, zoom out one last time. The Sustainable Development Goals teach a systems lesson. Development without environmental limits fails. Environmental protection without economic planning stalls. Environmental science sits at the center, connecting evidence to action. In the next episode, we'll move into AI and climate prediction, where we'll see how data, modeling, and machine learning are reshaping environmental decision-making worldwide. This series is part of the Learning Studio, where global frameworks are broken down clearly without complexity for its own sake. This isn't about checklists, this is about coordination.